Welcome, Spotlighters. Welcome to World in a Spotlight. Today, our feathered hosts are revealing the top 3 smartest birds in the world. Number 3. The African Grey Parrot. Known for mimicking human speech and solving puzzles, their memory is top tier. Number 2. The Kea from New Zealand. These playful parrots can use tools, plan ahead, and even show empathy. Number 1. The Crow. Masters of strategy, memory, and even grief. Crows remember faces and hold grudges. And here's our wise owl crew, wondering, should they have made the list? Which bird surprised you most? Let us know below. Want more wild animal facts? Like, follow and explore the world, one spot at a time.